What is a console vacuum? A console vacuum is a strikingly supportive device for any individual who habitually utilizes a console, particularly for the people who will more often than not eat at their PCs. The space under and between the keys of a console gathers dust, cigarette debris, and food morsels after some time, which can abbreviate the life expectancy of a console, make keys stick, gum up the mechanics of better plans, and can draw in things like insects and cockroaches too. A compacted duster helps some, yet shy of totally destroying the console to clean it. Your smartest choice is a console vacuum. This is a minuscule vacuum cleaner with a little hose that can get between and under the keys. They're generally battery-fueled, however battery-powered USB variations are turning out to be extremely well known for clear reasons. These little vacuums hush up, simple to utilize, and entirely reasonable. On the off chance that you make benefit of one of these, you can anticipate that a respectable console should keep going for as many as 3 years longer than in any case, fundamentally decreasing the times you want to burn through cash on another console and in becoming acclimated to the dividing of it too. Try not to endeavor to utilize a more Goliath versatile vacuum cleaner, or much else critical, on a console, as it will eat the keys and harm the contact sheets under the keys. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I present you best keyboard vacuum cleaners. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Roveoll brand, with the vacuum cleaner and air blower mode at the same time. It is no longer a portable vacuum cleaner, also in functional air duster, which can meet your different needs. This portable vacuum provides 6,000 PA high power suction, which can last about 15 to 20 minutes. It can easily absorb most dust, ash, pet hair, debris from carpets, living room and offices with outstanding performance. This handheld cordless vacuum cleaner with built-in 4,000 mAh rechargeable high-capacity lithium batteries, it can be fully charged in 3 to 3.5 hours and the run time up to 20 minutes, enough to make a deep clean for you. The portable mini vacuum cleaner is an excellent choice for your family, car, and pet. The portable cordless vacuum cleaner weighs only 0.9 pounds. Cordless design help you clean everywhere easily without bulky and tangled cords, also equipped with some different tools to help you clean up the every corners. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Number 4 in our top is from the Brigii brand. The compressed air duster is rechargeable and reusable, which is a physical dust removal method without chemicals and produces no greenhouse gases. Specialized compressed air duster is a wise long-term investment. Get rid of tons of canned air dusters and save your money, providing a much more efficient, powerful, and environmental-friendly deep dust cleaning way. The compressed air duster is equipped with a super strong motor that generates powerful and rapid airflow for deep dust cleaning. The air duster provides 3 gear speeds, 51,000, 71,000, and 91,000 RPM for different cleaning needs. Dust removal becomes quite easy and is no longer a problem. The air duster is designed with a LED light. It automatically illuminates when turned on the electric air duster, so you can easily clean up dark corners and places hard to reach, bringing great convenience to cleaning dust in darkness. The electric air duster is cordless and handy, so you can use it without effort and take it anywhere you go. We continue with the number 3, that is part of the Shine brand. This 7-in-1 cleaning kit by Shine includes 1 storage brush, 1 small gap cleaning brush, for cleaning wipes, 2 screen cleaning cloths, 1 key puller, 1 cleaning gel, 1 spray bottle, and 1 mobile phone holder. Everything you need to clean electronics at home. With 7 different functions, this cleaning supplies kit allows you to clean the grease and dirt from computer screen, rid your laptop keyboard of dust and crumbs, and remove fingerprints from your headset, AirPods, or camera lens. This computer cleaner kit will clean your tech gadgets for years. It comes with a sturdy handmade cleaner brush, a soft replaceable cleaning cloth with Velcro, a strong magnetic storage brush and a versatile silicone pen for cleaning gap dust. Keep your smartphone, tablet, iPad, iPhone, laptop, computer, headphones, and all other gadgets spotless with this complete electronics cleaning set. Thoughtful gift idea for students, professionals, office workers. This elite set of gadget cleaning products makes a must-have addition to the computer accessories, tablet, or laptop accessories of teachers, students, artists, photographers, and a great gift idea for any occasion. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Number 2 in our top is from the AFMAT brand. Each mode can work alone, and also together by turn. To clean the PC keyboard, car air vent, grill of air conditioner, the blower mode is enough. For the crumbs or dust scattering on the surface of desk, car seat, sofa, or corners of any place, the vacuum mode helps suck them out thoroughly. In case that the particles conceal deeply inside the fluffy material, blow first to make the small fragments flow to the surface, and then suck them out effortlessly. AFMAT high-power cordless air duster, with advanced motor to back up, the rotate speed of which up to 60,000 RPM, produces hurricane wind force that can easily blow away the deeply hidden dust and debris in which you point the duster to. Suction force in vacuum mode uplifts to 8 kilopascals at most. To suck out even stubborn dirt inside the rug becomes such an easy thing. For the toughest dirt well concealed amid the floss, blow first to fly them out, then to suck and pick up all. Air spray can work without nozzle in vacuum mode. Flat nozzle with brushing area makes its might doubled, the nozzle tip is sucking in, and the brushing as a second cleaning process gives a hand to the cleaning in the meantime. This air duster is new high-tech design, rechargeable and reusable, with super long lifespan. Stop the use of compressed gas cleaning duster, and change with this electric duster to save penny and Mother Earth. The portable air duster with less weight and handy figure, you can take it wherever you need, for example, in car, home, office, dormitory, and so on. And finally, the number 1 product in our top is part of the Brigii brand. One end of the machine is connected to the nozzle for vacuuming, and connected to the vacuum slot, which turns into a hand pump for travel, and your vacuum storage bags are airtight vacuum packed. While the other end is connected to the nozzle for blowing dust. Mini brush, flat nozzle, hose and blow nozzle, which are practical crevice tools that can be used to clean hard-to-reach areas. The small hand vacuum has a length of 8.5 inches, a diameter of 2.6 inches and a weight of 1 pound, but its motor has 80 W power and can provide 4 kilopascal cyclone suction. It may be the smallest of all cordless vacuum with a suction of more than 4 kilopascals. The tiny vac has built-in 2,500 mAh lithium battery, passes 500 charge cycles tests, could provide a long running time for work, and only needs 3 to 4 hours to be fully charged each time. The USB vacuum adopts dust container design and its filter meets high-efficiency particulate air (HEPA) standard. It is easy to empty, replace and clean. Which keyboard vacuum cleaner would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.